This is experiment number 4, that is man, tiger, cow and grass problem. In this program we have given with the two banks of rivers, that is bank 1 and bank 2. We need to move man, tiger, cow and grass from bank 1 to bank 2. The man has to cross the river with tiger, cow and grass, making sure that tiger don't eat cow and cow don't eat grass. Tiger do not eat grass. When the tiger with his man, he will not eat cow and cow will not eat grass. When crossing river with man can either travel alone or can take the one of them with on board. So let's start with the code of this problem. Here is the method name apply action I. I will get back to this method later. There is another method one validity one. We will get back this also later. And here is the derived code. So I have declared two lists, that is bank 1 and bank 2. In bank 1 I have assigned the four members, that is man, tiger, cow and grass, because on initial stage all the four members are in the bank 1. Okay, so while true is this block will be executed, and uh, if all the four members are on bank 2, then the length of bank 2 will becomes 4. So we are checking if the length of bank 2 is 4, then goal is achieved and the loop will be break. Else I am preaching the actions to be taken, and that actions are one is man take the tiger from bank 1 to bank 2. The man takes tiger from bank 2 to bank 1. Then man take cow from bank 1 to bank 2. Man takes cow from bank 2 to bank 1. Man take grass from bank 1 to bank 2. Man take grass from bank 2 to bank 1. Then man can go alone from the bank 1 to bank 2. And the last action is man go alone from bank 1 bank 2 to bank 1. So here I am asking user to enter the action number to be a plan and storing that variable ch into ch. So here I am calling the action user to enter the action number to be applied and storing that into a variable ch. So here I am calling the apply action method, which takes three parameters. First is the choice, that is action the number to be taken. Second is the bank 1, that is the number of members on or the members present in the bank 1 or bank 2, and the members present in the bank 2. So let me go to that method. Apply action. So if the choice is equal to 1, that is action 1 is to be taken, that is man takes tiger from bank 1 to bank 2. Now to perform this action we need to first check whether the man and tiger both are present on the bank 1 or not. So for that I am checking if man in the bank 1, that is the man is present in the bank 1 and 1, if it is not, then it will print action denied, man is not on the bank, not in the at bank 1. Second, if the tiger is in bank 1, then this block will be executed all, or else will it be printed the tiger is not present in the bank 1. So if both of them are on the bank 1, then what I'm doing is I'm removing both of them from
Bank 1 dot
bank 1,
remove man
that
as
is
well as tiger,
and appending the two number in a list bank 2 and returning the states uh, that two list, that is bank 1 and bank 2. Same applies for action number 2. Here also the action 2 is man take tiger from bank 2 to bank 1. We need to first ensure that the man and tiger both are present on the bank 2, and if it is so, then we are removing both of them from bank 2 and add appending in a bank 1, or else these actions will be printed and we are returning the same. So same applies for all the actions. Man takes cow from bank to bank 2, then man takes cow from bank 2 to bank 1. Man takes grass from bank 2 to bank 1 to bank 2. Man take grass from bank 2 to bank 1. Then action number 7, the action number 7, that is man go alone from bank 1 to bank 2. For that we need to ensure that the man is need to present on bank 1. So if the man is in bank 1, then we need to remove from bank 1 and append in bank 2, and same for the action number 8. So after applying that action, we are getting the current state of bank 1 and bank 2. Then I am printing the status that is current state of bank 1 and bank 2, and applying the validate method on that two banks. So here is the I am calling validate method, and it takes two parameter. First is a bank 1 and bank 2. So here is that method bank validate. So what is the purpose of that validate method? Is to ensure that the tiger should not be eat the cow and the cow should not eat the grass. So the tiger and cow should not be on the same bank in absence of man. Right. So here for the bank 1 we need to check if the tiger is in bank 1. Cow is also in bank 1, but man is not in the bank 1. Then tiger may eat the cow. And if it is so, where printing game over, and oh no, tiger eaten cow in absence of man on bank 1, and you lost the game. Same for the bank 2. If the tiger is in bank 2, cow is in bank 1 bank 2, and man is not in bank 2, then game is over also. Same applies for the cow and grass. If cow and grass in the same bank, absence of man, then cow will eat the grass. So for bank 1 we need to check for the bank 1. So if it is so, returning false, and if any one of this method condition are not true, then we are returning true. So after validation, if the result is false, then we are breaking the loop. That is, the user will not be able to perform the actions anymore. And if it is not false, then action will be continue. So let me execute this method. Okay. So here we are asking to enter the actions number to be applied. Let me first apply the action number 1, that is man takes tiger from bank 1 to bank. So after applying the action number 1, takes bank tiger from bank 1 to bank 2, then cow and grass remains on a bank 1 in absence of man. And what will be happen? Cow will eat grass and game will be over. Okay. So let me apply another way of doing this. Let me apply action number 3 first, that is the man take cow from bank 1 to bank 2. So current status is bank 1 is there is a tiger and grass, and the current status of bank 2 is there is a man and cow. So this will not lead to game over because the tiger cannot eat grass. Then let me apply action number 8, that is man go alone from bank 2 to bank 1. Okay. So the member present on the bank 1 are now tiger, grass and man, and on bank 2 cow is there. So now let me apply number 5, that is man take grass from bank 1 to bank 2. Okay, so now the bank 1 only cow is there, and on bank 2 the tiger, man and grass is there. Now let me move man alone from bank 2 to bank 1, that is the action number 8. So the current status is on bank 1 cow and man is there, and on bank 2 the tiger and grass is there. And I think we need to perform the only one action now, that is move cow and man from bank 1 to bank 2. So the action number 3, that is man take take cow from bank 1 to bank 2. And yes, you can see all the members are present on now, and as the length of the list is 4, goal is achieved. So this condition is satisfied, and the goal is to